This is the Universal Public Alerting System. Please stand by for information and listen carefully to instructions. Do not turn off your television. The following is a tornado warning for Canadian, Cleveland, and Oklahoma counties in Oklahoma, effective until 4:12 p.m. today. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, and Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bethany, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bethany, El Reno, Mustang, Oklahoma City, Union City, and Yukon. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. We now return to regular programming. Please stay tuned to this station or another source for further information.